Hi guys, welcome to the Movie Man channel. So today we're going to see how we are going to do screen recording on your Mac. So how we are going to start it is very simple keys to just start it. You just have to do three simple things in your keyboard. Press Command, plus Shift, plus 5 in your keyboard. So let me do it. So you get all three options over here. You can capture a picture. You have options to do tasks. You can stop the video. You can select what you want to record. Select the entire screen. What you want to show to the people. And when you would like to stop the video, you can just stop it over here or in the right top corner over here. If you do any two of these things, the video will stop and immediately you see I've kept two folders over here. When you stop it, immediately the folder will appear over here as soon as you stop it. So yes guys, very simple task. Hi guys, so you see how to record an audio in the same file. You go open up QuickTime Player, open it, and you go to the file in the left top corner and you get three options over here. For new movie recording, you have to press Option, Command and N. For new audio recording, you have to press the above key, Command and N. And the new screen recording, you have to press Control, Command and N. Most of it's very simple to just go and click on the file and click audio recording, and when you just click on it, you see there'll be an immediate file which is appearing on your page and it starts recording. You can either record it with your headphones or you can directly record it with the on-screen speaker. So yes guys, that's it. Thank you.